Very good morning. Welcome to my channel Dream Big 2. It is day 60. Yeah, almost 2 months in, and feeling good. A bit of a slow start because I have to run on a big road, and I'd rather have when the truck drivers see me. So I'm just gonna go to Villarrica. It's on a lake. I already booked a room because I don't have the patience when I get there to find something, although I think probably wouldn't be too hard there. I think it's a shared room, but whatever. I'm happy to just go there, shower, eat, and get ready for day 61. That's the routine. But first, I'm just gonna enjoy the day, and yeah, I think we'll mostly be on the large road. I will see if I'm gonna take the side road. I was advised to not do that, so I will just make the call when I get there. So yeah, let us see what the day brings, and I'll see you soon. So that's really beautiful running again. I think the road is not as large as I thought. It's always good. And yeah, staying here for a couple hours. Yeah, looking around, beautiful, perfect. And 9 miles. This is beautiful. Yeah, I did not, you never know what to expect, I guess. So yeah, this I didn't expect, so it's beautiful. I love it. Still funny birds around everywhere here. Some with some long beaks. Love it. Yeah. Tranquil. So about mile 12. Everything was well running wise. Well, there's the hill here. But I have a bit of a clogged up nose again, but no wonder with this wind. And such a shitty insect, mosquito, fly, whatever, flew right in my eye. I hate that. I need to take it out. Oh, I hate that. I don't know why they do that. Oh shit. Yeah, 14 miles, and honestly it's dry, not as hot as yesterday, because it's only 10, I think. It's beautiful. Oh, nice. 18 miles, and it's time for a break. A banana, and I am thirsty. Whew. Yeah. Oh, that is nice. That is really a beautiful road. Whew. About halfway. Yeah, we can do it. So about 15 miles away from Villarrica, I guess we're entering the municipality. I can't say it. The region, anyways. Municipality, whatever. It's hot. Here we go. Less than 10 miles to go, and yeah, will have a room. Hopefully I will get things done early today and have a nice rest and see where I'm gonna go tomorrow. But I'm very curious to see today the lago and the montaña, the volcano. I better learn these names. Yeah, I think that's just the road. It goes straight all the way to town. And 27.5. So just going. So wow, now we can see it, huh? Still about probably 7.5 miles away. So yeah, we're gonna go closer. It's pretty impressive, huh? Woo. Wow. Here we go. Bienvenido a Villarrica. And still about 2 miles to the downtown, 3 miles to the place. Maybe we stop at the sea, at the lake. We will see. Hola, hola. So this is a short update. I have arrived. I think about 3ish. I've already done the Insta and I'm now ready to go shopping. Then I will take a shower and get the rest of all the things done. I think the insect is still in my eye, but I'm gonna grab it out while I have the shower. And I shouldn't talk about it. Anyways, yeah, it's been a nice day, pretty hot, and I think, yeah, the city or the town, Villarrica is quite large, so I'm not gonna walk the town. Not gonna take a stroll along the lake. I wish another time when I come by car and park close to the lake. Anyways, yeah, it's a nice place here. It's a bit out of town. It's quiet, tranquilo. I love it. I need it. And yeah, just gonna get ready to be ready for another day tomorrow. And yeah, I think I should also do some planning for the next couple of days. And yeah, there will be a lot of things that I can do today. No worries. And I hope I'll get a salad, today. So cravings for salad again. But yeah, I'm also gonna buy some yogurt. And yeah, so it's a nice place, and I think there's not many other people, so I like it. Quiet. Yeah, so thanks very much for being with me today, from Freire to Villarrica. And yeah, so this is an incredible volcano. I don't know, I think I've only seen volcanoes in Hawaii so far. Maybe in New Zealand, I don't know. No, in New Zealand, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Well, I guess, in the US, it Crater Lake and stuff like that, but yeah, not that kind of size of volcano or form. Anyways, I'm tired and I'm just, yeah, I'm talking too much. Thanks very much for being with me. Check out my other videos if you're interested. And tomorrow is day 61. Should I improve my videos a little bit? Well, let me know in the comments of how to do it. Thanks very much for being with me. Dream big too, my friends.